I'm at a game center in a store in Japan, Yamanashi. This is a taiko drum game. This is called Print Club. It was really popular when I lived in Japan. And it takes your picture, and then you get to draw on the pictures and decorate them. So you get to, and it prints out stickers of different sizes. Looks like you can use your cell phone for it now. There used to be a lot more games in these things. Games like this, you buy a card and you use the card, placing it here, and the card basically helps you play the video game. I'm actually not entirely sure how to do it. There's an ice cream vending machine right there. Looks like I think you might be able to win toys. That looks like they're out. More of these card games. This one's Dragon Ball. This is a horse racing game. You have a slot machine right here and pachinko. It's kind of like pinball. You turn these things and they turn this knob and it shoots balls up, and you got to get them in certain spots and everything. And you win more balls. Technically, gambling is illegal in Japan, even though they have slot machines, but there's kind of ways around that. A lot of slot machines here. Kid games right here. And of course, claw games, claw games, claw games. These are all over the place. I went to a lot of places that looked like they were arcades, game centers, and they were just filled with claw games instead. There weren't any actual video games there. Japan used to be the mecca for video games. Being the home of PlayStation and Nintendo, in many ways it still is. But not arcade games so much anymore.